I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Grand Cherokee dashboard. Begin by disconnecting the battery and gathering trim tools, Torx bits, and a magnetic tray. Label screws and panels as you remove them to speed reassembly. Take photos at each step to document connector locations and screw sizes. Keep small parts organized and avoid forcing clips, as they can break. I'll walk through each panel and fastener clearly and calmly. Start with the center trim and vent surrounds, using plastic tools to prevent damage. Remove visible screws and then gently pry out the bezel, working along edges to release clips. Keep track of each screw and its location by using labeled bags or a divided tray. Photograph connector positions before unplugging to ensure correct reconnection. Move slowly and methodically to avoid broken clips and scratched surfaces. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful repair content. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I plan savings, which oddly made me more confident tackling big projects like dash removal. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a copy if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. After trim removal, support the dash with a helper or soft stands and begin removing mounting bolts. Start at accessible bolts, then work toward bolts under the windshield and lower footwells. Carefully unplug HVAC controls, instrument cluster connectors, and any airbag harnesses, following safety steps to keep connectors intact. Lift the dash slowly while a helper watches for hidden wires. Set the dash on a soft blanket to avoid scratching and check for missed fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.